In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website on Netlify. By the end, you'll have a live site powered by a template, connected to a repository, and deployed with just a few clicks. Start by opening netlify.com. If you already have an account, head to your dashboard. If you're new, create an account and sign in so you can access the project tools. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the top right for the Add New Project dropdown. This is where you kick off a fresh site. If you don't see it immediately, make sure you're on the site's view of your dashboard. From that dropdown, choose Start from a template. Templates are pre-configured starters for popular frameworks and static site generators, which means you don't have to begin from scratch. You can browse options by framework or purpose. Think blogs, portfolios, or documentation. Pick something that fits your needs and is compatible with the tools you're comfortable with. After you've found a template you like, select it and click Use Template. Netlify will guide you through connecting the template to your code hosting provider. This step creates a new repository from the template, so Netlify can build and redeploy your site automatically whenever you push changes. If it's your first time, you may be prompted to authorize Netlify to access your repositories. That's expected and helps enable continuous deployment. Next, select the repository you want Netlify to use. Choose your provider such as GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket, and pick the repo that was just created from the template. You can keep it private or public, either works, as long as Netlify has permission to read it. Typically, you'll deploy from the main branch, but you can change this if your workflow uses a different default branch. Now configure your project and deploy. Give your site a name if you want something memorable. Otherwise, Netlify will assign one automatically. Netlify usually detects build settings from the template, but it's smart to confirm the build command and publish directory shown on the screen. If your template needs environment variables, add them here. You can also specify advanced settings like the node version if your project requires it. When everything looks good, click Deploy. You'll see live build logs as Netlify installs dependencies, runs the build, and publishes your site. Once it's done, you'll get a unique URL you can open immediately to view your website. From here on, every change you push to the selected branch will trigger an automatic redeploy, keeping your live site in sync with your repository.